Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to upgrade from Windows 7 using the media creation tool and got this error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a safe and working fix that solves the problem completely. This error happened because Windows 7 does not use modern security protocols like the TS 1.2 by default. Microsoft tools now require these secure connections, so we need to enable them manually. Here's what you need to do. There's an important update called KBT3.1.2.45. It allows your system to use TLS 1.1.2. You can search for this update on the official Microsoft Update Catalog website. Just go to the catalog, search for KB3.1.2.45 and download the one that matches your Windows 7 version, 32-bit or 64-bit. This is a safe and official fix that allows your PC to connect securely. We're only using Microsoft tools and the registry setting for secure connection. Now we'll add some registry values to enable TLS 1.1 and 1.2. Open Note and paste this code and save the file with the reg extension, and now double click it to add it to the registry. Click yes if it asks for confirmation and restart your PC and try running the media creation tool again. It should now connect without showing the arrow. And that's it. Your Windows 7 system is now using the latest secure protocols, and the media creation tool should work without any errors. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's stuck on Windows 7. Comment below if you need any help.